what I'm doing is I'm just working on shadows above the eyes, look. In fact, I'll go to that short fur brush that I had. That's better. Change the opacity, it doesn't need to be that strong. Come back a bit. Let's do that again. I'm going to use a violet. So subtle you can hardly see it. Let's go in with some black. You see, when the opacity is this low, you can do an awful lot of work and just gradually build it up very, very quickly, but delicately. Right, I'm just going to bring some grey down here. And on this side. And around here, look, see? Underneath the eyes. Let's just bring this grey short fur around here. Right, I just want to bring some lighter grey. Whoa, that's a bit strong. Let's pull that back, about 48%. That's better. Just build up some of this fur. It gets lighter, see? Let's change it for some long fur. That's it. I'll go into my favourite brush. Because you know, you always see something and you think, what is that? And just here in the corner, there's a teeny weeny little dot. If I can see it, it's there. There's another one just there. That's better. Right, let's get back to this fur. It'll be in my fur brushes. There it is. So, short fur. Let's just add some of this fur down here. That's better. A little bit in the corner. Going up. There we go. Now I want to work on the crown. The little black, what I call the little black crown. I call shapes that I see, I give them names, so I know what I'm talking about. But I can see a little black crown. Can you see the little black crown? This is what I'm working on at the minute. And I'm just putting in some short fur. Just bringing it up. There we go. Down down where it joins the eye. There's a bit more up here because the channel of light goes thin. See? That's better. This fur just coming away from this nose crease here. Now I'm getting off the picture, so I have to be careful. Just bring some of this fur around here. That's it. Now we're starting to get something. Let's go back to this crown. Let's give it some lightness. And the lightness I'm talking about is in here, look. Just above the eye, see? So sometimes when I select a colour, it's not as bright as I think. I'll use the circle just to give me the colour that I want. See? I'm in short fur, which is lovely. Let's just put this along here. And the other eye, look. And I'm just smudging out me. Maybe a little bit lighter just there. Now here, where the ear fur meets the short fur, there's a little bit of colour. So I can see some brown. So I'm going to go back to my soft brush and just put some brown in there, look. This is the area between the eye and the ear fur. So I'm putting in a little bit of red ochre there, see it? A red ochre mix. Just going into the fine hairs, it doesn't matter. Maybe a lighter bit just where the end of the ear, end of the eyeshadow is. That's it, see? There are so many colour patches in this cat's face. Oh, that was too dark. See, sometimes you press too hard, and I want it to be just gradual. I want to put some black over here on the right hand side, and then I'll patch it up with some light grey furs. So put this darkness here. Right, I just want to add a blue, a nice turquoisey blue, just to this patch here, look. Under the eye, see? That's better. There is some majestic lighting going on with this cat. It's picking up colours all over the shop.